Loose that is. Wow. I might be able to pull it out with my hand. Look, I did. I don't know if you can hear this helicopter. It sounds like a Black Hawk about to land on me. This motherfucker is loose. Damn. I twist that off of my hand. Alright, now we're going to take the calipers off. Alright. Usually these things are stuck on here too. I just came right off. But interesting. But look at that. How loose that is. Wow. I might be able to pull it out with my hand. Look, I did. I just pulled it out with my hand. Holy crap. That's how bad this hub was. Holy crap. You don't even need a tool for this one. But